we are on. So let's tweet the tweet. So what we're doing. I've been having issues with my microphone, so hit me up in the chat. Let me know what it sounds like, and well, I don't know what I can do about it. I've been sort of struggling with it for the last 30 minutes now, so I'm hoping it doesn't sound terrible, and apologies if it does, but I don't really know what to do about it right now, and it always seems to be the way that something goes wrong. It's like right at the last minute when you try to do something. Alright, let's get some what we're doing going on. Hey man, alright, sweet, sounds good. Right. Okay, let's just close this. And I've literally restarted my machine like 3 times now, trying to sort out this mic. I don't know what's going on with OBS, but I'm just going to work with what I've got. And I guess I better start sharing my screen. Let's just do like picture in picture. And I'm good, thanks, man. I've just been having sort of issues with getting this mic sorted, so I'm not happy. I wanted to do this stream this evening via OBS virtual cam, and it just seems to have gone a bit wrong. I'm not sure if it's a Windows 11 thing or if it's this Elgato mic. I recently switched over and I've not been happy with the sound quality. The software that comes with it's a bit confusing and stuff like that. So I'll stop moaning and I'll share my screen and we'll take a look at the API together. So this isn't it. That's my cheat sheets. I've got to go off to my other screen actually. So let's just go back to, let's unshare that, and you can all watch while I try and find the links to it. So I'm going to go in here. Find some links. Right, Fathom Analytics Settings API. So I should have really planned this out a bit better. So let's go to here. I mean, I'm just excited to be using the API. This has been like something which has been talked about for ages. So I'm quite keen to start playing about with it. That's not it. Right. Do I need anything else? I don't think so. I think one thing we need on the stream is some sound, some background music. So let's go with pop again because that was quite cool. Right, let's start looking at my screen. Let's get rid of that caption. And go to my screen, not that one, this one. Right. Should I just go like, can I just go screen rather than have my face on it? No. No. All right. So you've not come to watch me play about with Restream. So apologies. Right, let's crack open the terminal. And open up scottspence.com. So what I'm thinking about doing with this is with SvelteKit, you've got your endpoints. So like here's all the routes on my site here. Let's bump up this font a bit. That should be all right. So each so you can define like this RSS feed here, rss.xml.js. That, because it's in the roots, it will. What will it do, Scott? It will give you a .xml file, so you can have like define an endpoint as a .json, and you return the body as the JSON object. So it's quite cool, and I'm just thinking that the Fathom Analytics API is just going to give me a JSON response. So I'm primarily, let's bump up this as well, interested in just the aggregation stuff here. And I was speaking with Paul Jarvis, and he said, ignore this stuff here. And the stuff I've been doing has been in Insomnia. I've just been chaining loads of queries together. So this is my site ID here, and this will be for current visitors. So if I do send, can I bump the size up on this as well? Oh yeah. It doesn't actually seem to be getting any bigger, the font though. All right, well, I hope you can see that. So looking at my site now, there's one visitor currently, and I'm guessing, is that me? Let's go over to, where is my other window? Did I close it? All right, let's bring this over here. So now going to Insomnia, I should get at least one visitor. Current visitor, 2. There we go, cool. So I need a way to get this. This is the aggregation for everything on my site, and all the page views. We've got little groups here. Can I make this bigger? Let's put this into. So what do we have? We've got entity. Whoops. Aggregate. So yeah, so aggregates. This is quite a lot I've got in here, and I'm sorting it by timestamp. And I think what I want to do as well is have it for like the week or the month, and get that information in there as well. What's going on, Copilot? Deactivate Copilot. Was it off? Disabling. Alright, where? So with Fathom, you have to go in and create a token. So I might create a new one here for read only, because the last one I created, which was this one, which I'm guessing it's in here. Okay, I need to now delete this, because the whole one person watching can copy that and then sort of delete my site. So I better go and get rid of that. And now if I, okay, cool. So let's get rid of that. And I'm going to generate a read-only token here. Let's just oh great, it shows. I'm going to have to do this off camera, but I will take that name rather than type it out again. Right, let's bring this over here. And I guess I will put that into my LastPass, 1Password. Let's edit that. All right, and then I'll put that into Insomnia, and then not reveal my token to anyone. Let's get that into query. All right, sweet. So what I want to do is work out how to get the date timestamp back from the Fathom API. So entity aggregates, got that in there. Field grouping. I think for me, I just want like total date timestamp. This should match the time zone specified. Default is now. Oh, date from and to. Right, so let's try this. So I think I'm going to want it on path. So that doesn't look good. Entity. Oh, do I have to change? I didn't know how to do that. I had to change the token in each, blimey, in each one of my. Someone's going to have to tell me how to use Insomnia, because I don't think this is a very sustainable way of doing it. Alright. Is it that? Right, let's just try a simple one like this. Okay. Right, that one works. Okay, let's take that token. Right, I think it was. Oh, for fuck's sake, Scott. Check out my keys. Everyone have my keys. Right, let's make another key. Come on, can do one. Alright, let's go again. So if anyone's watching and knows how I can just do like one connection, and then for this bearer, and then share it across all of these, that'd be great. Otherwise, I'm just going to be doing this individually for each one, and that seems like a bit of a ball ache. Right, let's create that token again, read only. And I've got to copy all. This is really, because it's broken up with a pipe, the key is quite difficult to copy it. Oh, you know what? Sod it. Right, I'm going to create this because I really can't be asked to try and fuck about with this. So this is only read only anyway. So I'm just going to copy this and then just do it out in the open, and then I'll change my key once I've finished the stream, because it's like too much like hard work. Right, let's get that in now. Send that. So that is working, and this is for aggregations, page view, and then that's the entity ID, that's my site ID. And I was just checking chat. Right, aggregates, page views, visits uniques, month. So just grouping by month here. All right, here we go. August. So I'm going to presume that these are all for August, and right, the path name. I want to be able to put in like this, so I can say path name equals that for this code life balance, and then get the page views from that. So where's the docs? From path. Leading slash is important. / about. Have we got an example? Path name. Right, let's try. So we've got grouping by path name, field grouping by path name. Is that what I did for this one here? Is that why it was broken? Let's replace that. Yeah. So, so is it an object that path name consists of? Okay. Right, let's try. Let's just duplicate that. Let's just try to do this one actually. So this is grouping by path name, and this is using filters. Right, okay. Filters. It'd be handy to see like actual queries for this. Right, filters optional. JSON payload. An array of objects. You can add as many filters as you like. So is that what a filter is? I really haven't thought through this stream because I thought that's what I was doing with this here, I guess. So can I do it with this and then add filters and then put that in as the value? Let's just do it about. S4 is not property path name operator is. Let's just do is about. Let's try that. Where do I say done? Done. So where is that now? Here. Okay, cool. So I'm thinking about just, I want aggregates, aggregations. Let's just try to do away with everything we've got in here. So if you are watching and you are an Insomnia user and you are grimacing at what I'm doing here, let me know. I do apologise. Right, let's just get, what did I need first? Aggregations. That's that, okay. Entity. And page view. No, this is confusing. Right, okay. Another one. Entity ID is this, and let's just try it like that. I'm thinking that is me rather than the endpoint. I'm just wondering why it's showing me this URL preview when the URL is like this. Can I do, right, let's try this import from URL. Import from URL. Why won't it import anything? Oh. Ah, there we go. Right, so did it take that long to do it? Right, let's try it without this. Is that right token? I didn't make a note of it either. Twat. Right. Okay, not that. Oh, and then sometimes it's that way. Query params of Airtable. Okay, that's good to know. Aha, there we go. Right, so field grouping on path name. Okay. Right, so it's this filters which I want to get to the bottom to the bottom of, not to the. So it's how I'm doing this object here. So where was it in the docs? Something like this. Right, let's just go with this. Filter is about. Done. I don't really think I want to have it all as what are we looking at on the month here? So it's date grouping by month. What does it look like if I just do it in one? Get rid of that. Right, so I want a way to work with this in FeltKit. So I want to pass in the path name and just get back the page views. Maybe I should do it by month. I just want it like for from and to, isn't it? From and to. I'm just gonna have to skip this track because it's doing my head in. Right. So I want to sort on date. Update sites. Update site. No, I just want it on date. Date grouping. Total aggregations. So I think I'm going to do this probably off stream. I think for now, what I'll do is, how are we doing for time? Half an hour in already, and you've just watched me create several keys, delete them, and then get one query going on an API. But that's good because I'm going to use that in my project here. So let's just take a look at it, how it looks. That's one dirty long old API URL. Right. Let's just try and make an, what do I want to do? Have like an endpoint. Should I just call it like all right, let's try that. And I'm going to need something like, not that, let's just check it from somewhere else. Over on GitHub. Let's just do that. Man, what would you, have you used anything that's like Postman as well? I've had a bit of joy with Insomnia there, but let's just get this to do app, because I know in here I've got a load of root endpoints. So in Svelte kit, as I said at the start of the stream, you can define an endpoint as like data type. So in this to-dos example I've done here, I've got like the index.json. This is like the index.json.js. That's just getting all the to-dos and then returning a JSON object for that. So I'm going to want something like this in here. And this is the other create, read, update, delete stuff. So you've got post, put, and del, because delete is a reserved word in JavaScript, I think. So, oh, I thought if that was stubbed out with the underscore, it wouldn't bother with it. Right, we'll just delete that anyway. So I'm not doing anything with GraphQL. Let's get rid of, I want to do a try. Actually, let's just, that can do one actually, because I've done it with something else. We're actually turning a JSON object, but it's not a GraphQL endpoint, it's something else, which I can't for the life of me think of what it was. So Insomnia is the one to go with, Aman. What did I do? Where I was just getting a check. You know what? It's going to haunt me now, because I was like, that was really handy how I've done it that way. I'll come back to that and use it again, and I can't for the life of me think what it was. Oh, balls. Because it was a nice, what the fuck was it? Because it used like the fetch API and it it did a good job. I know what it is. It's on a super secret project, which I can't reveal publicly. So I'm gonna have to do it off screen. It's with Strappy. Where is it? Oh, I think I got it. Right. So roots. Let's go with that. Oh no, this uses GraphQL as well. I think it was just how it was getting the data. Right, stop rambling, Scott. Just get on with it, mate. Just to take this example from here. Not that one. It's in the to-do. To-do. Not there. No. Be in here, under to-dos. Let's just go with that for now, how we've done this. Back to where I was 5 minutes ago. Right, let's get rid of those, we don't need them. Or that. Or that. So what do we want to do? We want to do a, so this is async. Do we get fetch? Do we get fetch in the JS files? Fetch. I know that. Brittany. Has Brittany done it? Brittany Postma. Oops. Let's search. Svelte components, Svelte kit blogs, Svelte kit level up. Oh, Brittany. I'm sure you did it. For fuck's sake. Fetch. Right, let's just see if I can do it. Right, get rid of that. Don't need that. Just have an empty body for now. What's the matter with what's happened here? Now, do I need to? I'm not sure if what's like the dev2 Do I need to authenticate? I just want to quickly fetch something. Sorry, Emin, I'm ignoring you. Yeah, me neither. I don't do a great deal with REST. There must be a post of how to use the Dev2 API. It's in Chinese. Brilliant. I just want a quick grab it from here. Nothing in there. Surely someone's written about it. Right, let's go through. Let's do the whole thing. It's felt the Dev2 API. I mean, this pretty much looks like it, doesn't it? Just want to get the API. Sorry for everyone watching. Aha, here we go. Right. So, something like this is what I want. But that is within that's within a module, and I want to do it. Okay, let's just do it up here. Comment this shit out, and I just want this. Some backticks, and this is going to await, yeah, response.json. Let's just jack that, I guess. Whoop. Let's put my username in there. Right, so yeah, that looks right. Articles, username, Spencer's 10. So if I go analytics index.json, you know what, I'm going to need to start up my actual site. How are we doing for time? Right, got about 10 minutes. So I should be able to go .json, I think. Let's see what that does. Error, big oof, sorry. Okay, good. I'll take that. Does it not? This thing, I'm not sure if I can use fetch here. Let's see what that does. undefined. Right, okay, so it doesn't look like I can use fetch here. So, did I do this in my to-do app? No, I did it in auth, that's where I did it. Did it in here, I'm sure I did. So this will go, is it the callback here? Nope. Nope. Oh, it's here, hook. Nope. Oh man. I thought this went off and got fetch, here we go. So where's fetch coming from here? Is it top level? So there's no, I don't need to import it, is that what it is? Hey! Alright, sweet. So I can hit an endpoint, but it's not going to be that. So let's get rid of that. Right, there you go. You don't need to bring it into the module because it's top level in SvelteKit. So I need this now. What did I find, man? Let's go back. Yeah. I found it. Yep. Right, let's just get this back to the long old string it was, which is that. And so I've got that in my clipboard, and then bang that in there and get rid of that. Big oof. Alright, yes, because I need to put in headers, don't I? Header, and is it going to be like I've done that somewhere as well. Did I put it in here? Yeah, here we go. This looks like it. Right, something like that. Do. And yeah, I thought that'd be it. So headers, application JSON, authorizations, that. Let's go back to Fathom. Right, so it's working now. That's the query I've got. Oh, I need to do it. Oh shit, I need to do it. No, I'm not returning this, am I? I need to put that into the call. So that's going to need to be in like here, isn't it? Request info in it. Add headers to a fetch. See an example, please. All right. I mean, this looks good. Let's just check that. Let's put it outside of this get. Now my token's going to go in here, which is this. Bearer, boop. Okay, and that's going to be this lovely URL. And there. Let's get headers. I guess that's what this is. Yep. Okay. Then response. Right. Let's just see. Let's put this right up here. Let's see what this does. Here. Right. Something to work through. Okay, so we're coming up on an hour, and I have run out of time this evening. It was fun playing about with the API and eventually getting there. I hope you found it a bit informative, although it was quite painful watching me, I presume, quite painful watching me try to work my way through the REST API there and use Insomnia. But I think I've got it down now, so there's just a couple of bits around passing the headers off to the endpoint, to the API there, and getting them in the endpoint. But I think that's it for the stream. I'm going to have a bit more play about with this. Maybe stream it again when I'm adding more stuff to it and I'm a bit more comfortable with it. This is just me literally looking at it this evening and trying to work it out. You can see in Insomnia where I had a couple of goes at it and did okay, so I thought I could just sort of try and work through that. But that's it. Fathom, it's awesome. I really do like it, and I'm looking forward to getting like real-time stats into each sort of blog post, and I want to do that by defining an endpoint. But that's not going to happen tonight because I'm done for the evening and I've got other things to do. So hey Ray, I'm calling it for the evening now. Go a bit more play about with this tomorrow, I think, and maybe build on what I've just done this evening. But that's it. Thanks a lot for watching and tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one.